Okay, so 1998 Mercedes-Benz SL500. That common, this is loose like that. It's loose. Stop trying to jam that in. There's a piece of plastic here and it's broken. You have to take it all apart. The whole. So it's been bothering me for a little bit, and well, let's fix it. I came up with a little piece of plastic that I think will work, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Let's just get started, huh? And without getting much into it, you loosen the bottom of the seat. This up, this, and the back part, and you move this back. All right, so I'll move that portion back. And right here is the issue, if you can see that, okay? This little plastic piece is part, and that's what gets loose and is broken. And so you could do a number of things, and then once you get that as tight as best you can there. So what I came up with was a little piece of plastic. You can get any little plastic about the same size, and drill a couple holes in it. You take out the screw here. And it's really important that this piece is flush there, as it's going to sit on the car. Before, what I have is a self-tapping metal screw for plastics. And that's on there pretty good. Even while it was broken, you just go like that and it would stay. But now it's fixed on there without doing anything, any major operations to it. Now you simply got to button everything back up again. Okay, that's gonna get it. It's on there pretty damn good. I'm not trying to pry it or nothing. There's no need, but it's secure, that's for sure. And I'll tell you right now, it's a little bit of work. But, well, that took care of that. Take care.